Hello everyone, welcome to Judify. Today I will show you how to use your laptop or tablet or any Android device as a second monitor, using only local network either connected with LAN cable or Wi-Fi. First, click on the link and download the files. Now go to the files on your downloads, extract here, and open the files. Let's open AnyDesk first, click accept and install, and it will open. Now close it, open fake display folder. Now before anything, just right click on your desktop, click display settings and keep it open so we can see when display is added. And as you can see here, I am using a LAN cable and my PC doesn't support screen mirroring and doesn't have Wi-Fi. It should look like this when you click on project if it's supported. Now click on virtual monitor tool. It must be run as administrator. Now click one and press enter and software will be installed. Let's open both together in the same screen. Now click on Add Display. It will add a new display every time, up to 4 displays. Now, from Network and Internet settings, you need to check the local IP of your PC. From here. This is the local IPv4 address. You need to write it down because we will use it in the other devices to connect to this PC. Now, as you can see, it keeps adding displays and you can click on remove to remove it as well. On this square here, you can change display position based on your display's position in real life and just click apply when you finish. Now we will need to open AnyDesk. Go to settings and connection and write down this local port as well. Now on the laptop, install AnyDesk here as well and open it. Now on the remote address above, write down the IP address of the PC and the local port. It has to be the same as your PC IP and port, separated by colon, and press enter. Now my PC is showing on my laptop, but now it's the main screen number 1. Let's change this to number 2 or any other screen we want. You can click here to get to full screen. That's it. Now we have our laptop working as a second monitor for our PC using local network. Now on your tablet or any Android device, open Google Play and download AnyDesk. Open it, accept and allow anything he wants. Just click on these tutorials, it's only for the first time. And now enter the same address we entered in the laptop to connect to the PC as well. Now it's open and it's on the main screen number 1 as well. Click and hold on these squares on the right and choose another display so the Android device is used as a third monitor. You can also control the screen using your Android or laptop. The control will not be only restricted for the PC. And now This is the final result. Thank you all very much for watching. If you have any question or issue, just leave a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.